Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, none other. I am here to show you this easy breezy hair tutorial. Now, I explained it to y'all yesterday in a video, but today I'm actually going to show you how to do it. So like I told you, you need a comb and a dimming brush. And you will need hair product, hair activator of your choice. So first, I'm going to go through and comb it. Okay. And then I'm going to go through with the dimming brush, comb brush it. Okay, now you're going to take the dimming brush. I didn't use, that's how much I used. And we're just going to go in. Okay, we're going to add a little more. There you go, and that is how you do it. So let me go right here for a bit. And so just let it dry like this. And I like to let it air dry. You do this like 2 days straight. You'll start getting your curls to pop in. Like I said, when it comes to my hair tutorials, I'm 3C 4A hair type with tighter curls and stuff, but you still see the curls and thing. And I promise you, I'll come back or I'll post some pictures on my Instagram. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.